Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Siyasat Rapid in Shorts. I am Sayyid Zulfiqar Ahmad. Today's 8 Shawwalul Mukarram. Let us start with Hadith Sharif. हज़रत अब्दुल्ला बिन मसूद रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हु से रिवायत है, रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फरमाया, सबसे मुक़द्दम अपने अहल व अयाल पर ख़र्च करना ज़रूरी है, फिर जो लोग रिश्ते में क़रीब हों उन पर ख़र्च करना चाहिए। एंड सियासत रैपिड इन शॉर्ट्स। हैदराबाद जूनियर डॉक्टर्स ऑफ गांधी हॉस्पिटल टू स्ट्राइक फ्रॉम जून 20। Nalgonda Collector Prashant Jeevan Patel happy over COVID treatment in government hospital. Vanparthi SP Apurva Rao wants tough action against lockdown violators. The 1 kilometer long flyover at Balanagar shall likely be inaugurated on June 15, 2021. The work of the flyover, constructed jointly by GHMC, HMDA, Telangana Road Building and other authorities with a cost of Rs 380 crore, is in the final stage and shall be completed by June 2, 2021. Telangana State SSC Results 2021. Telangana 10th results declared 5.21 lakh students pass. Coronavirus India live updates: must take precautions to deal with the new challenge of black fungus, says PM Modi. A Sessions Court in Goa on Friday acquitted journalist Tarun Tejpal of sexually assaulting a former female colleague. Tejpal, former Tehelka editor-in-chief, was accused of sexual assaulting the colleague inside the elevator of a luxury hotel in Goa in 2013. Police have registered an FIR against the captain of Sankit Barge P305 and some other persons for negligence, an official said on Friday. As many as 197 cases of black fungus have been reported in Delhi, Health Minister Satyendra Jain said on Friday. The Kolkata High Court on Friday ordered the house arrest of 2 Bengal ministers, MLA and former TMC leader who were held in the Narada sting tapes case. While the country is witnessing a rapid increase in black fungus cases, AIIMS Director Randeep Guleria said it will go down when COVID-19 numbers decrease. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will interact with doctors, paramedical staff and other frontline health workers of Varanasi, his parliamentary constitution, on Friday through video conference, and will review the working of COVID and non-COVID hospitals. The Supreme Court on Friday upheld the validity of centre's notification allowing banks to proceed against personal guarantors for recovering of loans given to company under the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code (IBC). A group of 35 guests returning from a wedding ceremony in Bihand of Madhya Pradesh were made to do frog jumps on the road for violating COVID restrictions. They punished by the police, including children and even senior citizens who were part of the wedding party. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi paid floral tribute to his father and former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi on his 30th death anniversary on Friday at Veer Bhumi in Delhi. Jai Shankar in US next week to discuss vaccines and Indo-Pacific. Amid growing enigma surrounding the presence of aliens and the many videos claiming to show unidentified flying objects UFOs, former US President Barack Obama on Thursday also weighed in the debate as they confirmed that the US military does have some footage and records by mysterious objects. President Joe Biden is directing federal agencies to develop a comprehensive strategy to identify and manage financial risks to government and the private sector posed by climate change. The diplomatic flurry was over. The Israel's Benjamin Netanyahu was the phone telling President Joe Biden that it appeared the furious fighting between Israel and Hamas was about the end. Seriously ill COVID-19 patients in African countries are more likely to die than those on other continents, which could be because of a lack of critical care equipment, a study published on Friday said. Thousands of students in Australia skipped school and gathered with climate activists to urge the government to stop funding the gas industry, demanding more action on climate change. Filmmaker Sanjay Leela Bhansali and actress Madhuri Dixit will reportedly collaborate in Bhansali's upcoming web series Heera Mandi. Reported the actress will make special appearance in the series and will feature in the dance number, according to media reports. Anupam Kher helps homeless kids, requests people to donate things for them to survive. The BCCI has announced annual player contracts for India women for the period from October 2022 to September 2021. As many as 19 players have been given to contracts. Those are the headlines. See you next Friday. Take care. Allah Hafiz.